Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create a blank canvas in Elements by selecting File, New, Blank File from the menu bar. To create a new image by using the Elements clipboard contents instead, select File, New, Image from Clipboard from the menu bar. If there isn't anything on the clipboard, then the command will appear grayed out or unavailable. However, if creating a new blank canvas, then in the New dialog box that then appears, type a name for the image into the name field. Below that, use the drop-down to select an image settings preset if desired. You can also manually enter the width, height, and resolution you desire if you wish. To do this, simply type a number for each field, and then use the drop-down to the right of each field to select the measurement units to use. Next, you must select a color mode for the new image from the Color Mode drop-down. You will want to select RGB color, which is typically used when working with an image meant for on-screen or web display. Color modes will be discussed in more detail in the next chapter. Even if you or someone else is going to print the image in a CMYK process, you must first edit the image using RGB, since that is how a computer monitor displays color anyway, and because CMYK is not available in Elements, and you can later convert the image color mode to a CMYK color mode in a different application before printing. You can also select the default background color for the image by choosing either white, background color, or transparent from the background contents drop-down. When you are ready to create the blank image file, click the OK button to create a new image file with the selected attributes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.